In this 58-second video, we dive into the world of bioinformatics, an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to analyze and interpret biological data. Bioinformatics plays a crucial role in genomics, where it helps researchers decode DNA sequences, identify genes, and understand genetic variation. It's essential for drug discovery, enabling the identification of potential drug targets and the design of new therapies. The field also supports personalized medicine by tailoring treatments based on individual genetic profiles. From analyzing protein structures to predicting disease outbreaks, bioinformatics is transforming healthcare and advancing our understanding of life at the molecular level. Bioinformatics also plays a pivotal role in evolutionary biology, helping scientists trace the origins and relationships of different species through genetic data. It's used in agriculture to improve crop yields by identifying beneficial genetic traits. As technology advances, bioinformatics continues to expand, driving innovation in science and medicine and opening new frontiers in our quest to understand the complexities of life.